Alright, let's see if we get some time-lapse footage of a ghost flushing. Okay, I think I just heard it ghost flushing from the other room. Actually, it's not flushing. Water's leaking out and the float goes down, so it starts refilling. That's the sound you hear, is the water refilling, not an actual flushing. Okay, now I emptied the water tank. Now I'm going to change out this old flapper with a new one. Gotta unsnap it. Well, I ended up cutting these tabs off because it's too brittle, and I was afraid to break these little ears off. I didn't want to take that chance. Anyway, I got it off. This is the old flapper that came off, and it's got this adjustment on it on how long it takes to flush the commode. So you can turn it all the way down for a slow flush, or turn it up by this little dial to change the speed of the flushing. I don't know what purpose that serves. I'm just going back with the regular generic flapper. Now I'm going to install a new flapper. See how rubbery that is? That's the way it should be. And slip it right over those ears. Then you hook your chain into your flushing handle. Now you have to fill your tank up. Turn the water valve on and see how it works. Okay, I got the water tank filled. Now I'm going to test the new flapper. See that? That means you have to adjust the length of the chain. You now need to shorten the chain so the flapper will raise up high enough to flush. So I need to measure the chain, and that seems to be enough right there. Now put it through that link, and then put it back on the lever, the flush valve lever. That looks about right. You can also disconnect your float and hold the fill valve shaft and turn the cap counterclockwise till it comes off. And then you have your diaphragm, which can get dirty, so you can clean that off. Put a rag over your top of your refill valve and turn your water on just a little tiny bit to flush it out. Should be enough. And then put your diaphragm back on. And hold the shaft and turn it right till it clicks. And then reattach your float. So now your new flapper is in place and the chain is set right. And your diaphragm and your refill valve is clean. Now we can turn the water back on and check it. Make sure everything works right. I'll get back to you in a minute. Okay, let's try flushing the commode and making sure everything is working right. Okay, on this Fluid Master float, you got this adjustment screw. You turn it clockwise and you get more water level. You go counterclockwise and its water level is decreased. Also, you have this little adjustment on the filler tube that you can, if you're draining too much water, wasting water, then this is supposed to adjust that out. Other than that, everything seems to be working good.